Fire detectors protect us every day. But would you trust a fire detector that fails in a life or death emergency? If a system doesn't work, it's as if there's no system at all. The true standard for fire detection isn't just whether it works. It's how fast and how accurately it responds. And now, we offer something completely different. SafeMate's goal is to go beyond simple evacuation, to detect and suppress fires in their earliest stage. It combines AI-based analysis with data collected by IoT sensors to detect threatening situations in advance, protecting lives and property. Introducing a cutting-edge early fire detection solution, LDT SafeMate. SafeMate is more than just a single product. It integrates every aspect of a fire detection system, from installation and detection to data analysis and response. It's an AIoT-based, one-stop solution. SafeMate's 4-in-1 and hybrid offerings provide a variety of platforms tailored to customer needs. These range from customized on-premise systems to cloud-based remote surveillance services that include professional monitoring available at any time. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. SafeMate detects everyday risks and responds in real time. Site-optimized detection is at the heart of the SafeMate one-stop system. SafeMate is an intelligent detection system that goes beyond the limitations of existing fire alarms. It is centered on the AIoT-based ASN series and LSN 40X series detectors. SafeMate 4-in-1 is the world's first multi-sensor solution. It's capable of 4 different detections: flame, smoke, fixed temperature, and rate of rise. This makes it approximately 12 times faster than conventional systems. Fire information is transmitted in real time to the control system via wireless communication, enabling a more accurate and rapid initial response. A new scheduling function allows you to adjust the alarm sensitivity by day and time, as well as based on occupancy. By setting it to be less sensitive during the day and more sensitive at night or when no one's around, SafeMate enables a flexible, situation-based response. SafeMate 4-in-1 can also minimize false alarms caused by environmental variations. Analyzing the time and location of repeated alarms based on collected data enables proactive fire prevention. Maintenance is easily performed through real-time surveillance without the need for site visits. All this critical information is transmitted 24/7 via SMS, apps, the web, phone calls, and other channels through a continuously monitored control center. Furthermore, an automatic fire alarm activates an immediate response system. Another solution, SafeMate Hybrid. SafeMate Hybrid is a next-generation fire detection solution that directly addresses the shortcomings of conventional systems. Existing fire detectors are typically wired systems, which makes it difficult to pinpoint the exact location of a fire and often requires on-site visits for confirmation. This limitation severely restricts the ability to respond quickly to fires. SafeMate Hybrid enables system conversion simply by replacing existing detectors. This dramatically reduces installation time and costs while allowing for more accurate and faster detection. When a fire occurs, address-based information embedded in each detector is transmitted wirelessly to the control system. This enables immediate identification of the exact location, leading to a prompt and effective response tailored to the on-site situation. A mobile-based, real-time monitoring platform allows you to inspect equipment anytime, anywhere. This minimizes any outages due to malfunctions and enables efficient management. More than just a fire detector, SafeMate is a fire detection solution driven by database analysis and prediction. SafeMate is setting a new standard in fire safety management. As the world's first AI-based multi-sensor solution backed by relevant certifications and numerous patents, we are building a more precise fire response system. As a PPS-accredited innovative product, our system is easy to purchase and offers significant benefits to buyers, particularly with volume purchases. We are actively establishing new safety standards at hundreds of facilities across the country, ranging from public institutions to various industrial sites. We are committed to creating a safer environment for various facilities and sites. Danger can strike without warning. That's why systems must be prepared in advance to respond effectively. Our technology does more than simply detect fires. It prevents disasters before they even happen. LDT solutions are the future of fire and disaster response. Our solutions are not just an option. They represent the new technical standard. Let's do technology for our safety. LDT SafeMate.